Welcome to our session on mastering Photoshop's file management. Today, we'll focus on essential skills like opening, saving, and closing documents, which are crucial for efficient project handling and workflow organization. Creating new documents with the right settings is vital for different project types. We'll explore how to set up your files correctly to ensure they meet the specific requirements of your creative endeavors. Photoshop supports various file formats, and understanding how to open these files is key. We'll guide you through the process of accessing and working with existing documents seamlessly. Saving files in the correct format is crucial for their intended use. Learn how to use the Save As option to create multiple versions and export files with the right resolution for web or print. Properly closing documents prevents data loss and keeps your workflow organized. Remember, effective file management ensures your projects are saved correctly and remain accessible for future editing. Thank you for joining this session.